Imagine you find an app that pays you for doing the silliest of things. Well, there are some apps like this on the Google Play Store where you get paid for doing silly things such as clicking buttons, watching video ads, and answering simple questions. In this video, we'll be taking a look at one such app that pays you to do something similar. Stay tuned and watch as we take a look at the app, the things you can do, and the amount of money you can earn through this app. So the app I want to reveal to you today is called PopTap App. I will leave the link to this app in the description so that you can straight away download it from here. Now, a little information about this app that I'd like to share with you. As you can see, this app is advertised as a game. This is a stress buster app wherein you do simple tasks and earn. PopTap is a really fun anti-stress fidget game that will help you relax and be calm. This app is also fairly new, which is why you will not see many people downloading the app. Now, once you download and launch the app, you can enter the bonus promo code and straight away add 40,000 coins to your balance. These coins can be exchanged for money, and I will reveal the rate later in this video, so make sure to stick around. Speaking of the tasks, your objective is to click the pop head. So once the game starts, make sure to pop as many bubbles as you can. The more bubbles you pop, the more money you earn. In each game, you can earn as much as 80 to 100 coins just for popping bubbles. Anyway, there are different levels in this game, and the more levels you cross, the more money you will make. Also, there's a great thing about this game. You can play this game as many times as you want. There is no restriction on the number of times you can play these levels. Remember, this is a stress buster, so whenever you're stressed or are bored, head over to the app and burst bubbles. Not only will you de-stress and calm down your mind, you will also get paid for every bubble you burst. Your income depends solely on you, so make sure you spend as much free time as possible on this app. Now, I want to show you a method on how you can increase your earnings playing these levels. In order to double your earnings after playing the level, you need to watch a small ad. That means if you've earned 20 coins in that level, after watching the ad you will get double the earnings. Keep in mind you must watch the entire video without skipping the video. How cool does that sound? I always advise watching the ads because you can earn extra coins which will get added to your balance. There is another thing I want to mention to you, and this one is important, so pay attention. After playing every 5th level on this app, your earnings stop. You heard that right? So say you finished playing 5 levels, it will show you that your earnings are blocked. You will also have to wait an hour to continue playing. Now don't worry, they are not taking your hard-earned coins away. To unblock these coins, you need to watch an ad, or you have another option, pay with your coins to unblock and continue playing. Now, paying with your coins is obviously illogical. Also, waiting an hour is not advisable. Watching a small ad of 60 minutes is the best way forward. I'll advise you to spend as much time as possible on the app. Now, if you loved the video so far, I want you to show some support to this channel. Before I move ahead, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell for the latest notifications and updates. That way, you'll never miss a video from us. With that said, let's not waste any more time and take a look at how much you can earn from this app. I also want to share the rate of these coins, so yeah, the most interesting part of the video is from here. Speaking of daily earnings, you can earn as much as 200,000 coins in one day. Of course, you need to put in a lot of effort to make that much money. I'd suggest you do this on a holiday. Just watch a movie and play the game the entire day. You can do anything on the side, listen to music, watch a movie, listen to an audiobook and learn something. The choice is yours. The great thing about the app is you can do this from anywhere in the world and on your phone. Withdraw your earnings through PayPal. It's so simple. Now, how much do you think is the exchange rate? Can you guess? So if you earn 40,000 coins in a day, you can earn around $2 a day. So imagine, if you make 200,000 coins, you can earn $10 a day. That's a lot of money. So go ahead and download the app right away and start playing. And guys, that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.